Alright, so we can take this and we put it on here because this one's really tight. And we're going to see if we screw it in all the way, does it stop the water flow or did it jam open? Oh, nice. We shut the water off. Okay. Now, we gotta stick our hands up on them plastic washers that I was talking about earlier. Right after we get all the spider webs out. You gotta be careful sticking your hands in places you can't see. This is an old house, you know, the spider's gonna come out the wall, who knows. But if you feel webs, it's not, don't take no chances. Clear out them webs. Alright. Better? Get them hemostats on up there. Okay. Hemostats for the win. Broken blue. Okay. So, let's check out those. Okay, got these loose. So, when you pop these lines off, they're going to leak. Even if you leave the valves open, there's always going to be water in the line, and that's going to come out as soon as you open them. So you're going to need a bowl or something. Try and catch the drips, keep it as clean as possible. Investigations are successful. Okay. As you can see, this has been here for a very long time. And that's how you remove a faucet.